Quality data analysis and presentation. As a project manager, you understand it might be your responsibility to make some sense of various data which is getting generated out of quality activities. So say there is a possibility you may getting a lot of defects. There is a possibility you may be getting a lot of customer complaints. You need to analyze how these things are happening. Is there any trend in it? Is there any specific area which is producing more defects? Because overall, we need to find out how do we correct this and how do we prevent this. So these two words are important: corrective and preventive action. So I have a data, I do analysis, and I come up with the corrective and preventive actions. Now this analysis is always preferred if my option is present, done along with our team members, because I understand team may be having more insights about it. I alone doing may not produce the desired result. But if question indicates you alone doing, you can say, yeah, I might be preparing some analysis and then I will go to the team and discuss, and they may help me in finding more trend and insight. It is also a part of lesson learned activity. When we are doing lesson learned meetings, we may analyze various quality trends. It could also be a part of our continuous improvement activity, which we are doing as a part of our project. In case of agile ways of working, this is usually associated with retrospective event. So continuously during retrospective, we are trying to analyze and see what is coming out of quality data. The result of analysis is also goes into presentation. As a project manager, I may need to present this quality analysis to the stakeholders because I may need some approvals from them. I may need some buy-in from them. So say if we realize a particular vendor is producing something which is creating a lot of defect in our work, I may need to present that information back so that I can take an approval of changing that particular vendor. So as a project manager, I also have a responsibility of presenting this quality data in an effective manner. So I gather the data, I facilitate analysis of the data, and then I present the data so that we can learn from it and do corrective and preventive action. Corrective means correcting the current problem. Preventing means preventing the future problem. If the question indicates you these two choices, usually you prefer to correct first before you prevent it. Because if something is already wrong, let's fix it and then make sure that we take appropriate steps so that in future it should not get repeated.